Hi, my name is Sierra Stewart, and today I would like to convince you to plant a bee garden. Why? Did you know that bees are in decline? And this is from a multitude of reasons. Pesticides from residential and industrial agriculture and from homes, parasites, pathogens, climate change, and habitat destruction. Why is this important? Bees pollinate 1/3 of all the food that we consume. This includes fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Bees are essential. They are essential to the food that we consume. A single bee colony can pollinate 300 million flowers each day. That's just one bee colony. It is also very expensive and laborious for humans to replicate this either by human workers or by technology. Bee gardens require minimal weeding. Weeds such as dandelions and clovers are actually beneficial to bees. Some bee colonies will just prefer one type of flower such as clover, which is really neat. Another reason is that bee gardens are beautiful. They're wild, they're a little less manicured than what we're used to, but with proper planning and planting, year after year your bee garden can be wild and a wonderful habitat for bees and other insects to come to and flourish. As you can see here, here are some examples of bee gardens. This is my bee garden from this spring in 2019, the left hand, and the smaller one on the upper right. Yours doesn't have to be as big as that. Yours could just be small like this on the right hand side. But it's also very important that the bees have places in urban life to come and have a variety of nectar to pick from. So, why should you plant a bee garden? Because bees are essential to the food we eat. Bee gardens and flower beds have minimal maintenance, and bee gardens are also very beautiful. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you've learned something, and if you have any questions, feel free to message me on Blackboard. Thank you. Bye-bye.